beautiful people, hope you guys are doing great. My name is Oluwatosin ABIKE. If you're new to this channel or you're seeing this face for the first time, kindly subscribe please and put on the notification bell so you can get notification every time I post a new video. And to my whole wonderful subscribers, you guys are simply amazing. You guys are the best. I appreciate the love, I appreciate the encouragement, I appreciate the fact that you guys decided to be part of this happy family and stay part of this happy family. I'm very grateful, guys. I'm truly grateful. I'm gonna go straight into today's video. So today, my lovelies, I'll be discussing with you a product called Asian White. Yes, Asian White, guys. The product is amazing. Very nice products. It comes in 3 different variants. I'm gonna go through each one by one. The 3 of them do exactly the same thing. It just depends on the ingredients that you like in your products. So I'm gonna take you through each of the products, what they do, the ingredients, and what you can expect from using it. I've been using it for the past 4 days now after stopping the Supreme White. You know, I know it's not long enough for me to give a deep review, but based on my customers' experience on the product, I decided to give it a go as well. And so far, so good. So these are the 3 variants of the Asian White. The first one I'm holding right here is snail mucin and niacinamide, and it says it has SPF 40. It says 100% natural. These lotions are whitening and repairing lotions. It treats stretch marks, sunburn, pimples, knuckles, and green veins. And the next one says carrot seed oil and retinol. And the last one says papaya and mulberry extract. But they all treat stretch marks, sunburns, pimples, knuckles, and green veins. So it really just depends on the ingredient that you like to try. I'm actually currently using this gold one, so I'm going to go through it first. Well, like I said, I'm currently using this lotion right now. This one. I've been using it for the past 4 days. I know it's not long enough to give a deep review, don't get me wrong, definitely. But based on what my customers have said about this product, that's why I decided to try it as well. I mean, like I said before, I do want to try a lot of products, but I cannot try everything. But I do want to try some so I can give it my own personal review. Apart from what the customers are saying, I would like to give my own personal review about the products as well. You know, but obviously I cannot try all products, but I will try my best to try as much products as I can so I can share my experience with you. And then one thing you have to also have in mind is everyone's skin is different. So what works for me might not necessarily work for you, or how it worked for me might not necessarily work for you. So on the back of this lotion, it says Asian White lotion goes beyond whitening of the skin. The formula helps to eliminate scars, combats all hyperpigmentation marks, repairs bleached, damaged skin caused by bad chemical toxins and sunburns. It moisturizes the skin with its natural ingredients. Asian White Beauty whitens the skin effectively, leaving your skin supple and glowing. Yes, it sounds very interesting, right? Well, like I said, so far for me, it's been good. And it's not drying. It's, for me anyway, it's okay. But I do think if you have like maybe dry skin, you might want to add some oil inside it. I'm going to show you some oils as well that you can also add to this lotion. So let me take you through the ingredients that this lotion has inside. So it has water, stearic acid, alpha-arbutin, which is one of the active ingredients, almond oil, snail mucin, ascorbic acid, vitamin B3, which is the niacinamide, retin A, licorice extract, propane glycol, titanium dioxide, and it has fragrance as well. And it says formulated in Asia Pacific by Certified Skincare Intelligence. And the direction says apply once or twice daily on all over the body on a damp skin. Insist on your hands, elbows, and knees. So when you're moisturizing your body, insist on the darker areas. So which is usually your knuckles, your knees, and your elbow. So this would actually help the cream to all blend. So the next one I'm going to talk about is the papaya and mulberry extract. So like I said before, is a repairing lotion as well, stretch marks, just like the other one as well. So I'm just going to take you through the ingredients quickly. So it says water, stearic acid, alpha-arbutin as well, almond oil, mulberry extract, ascorbic acid, retin A, licorice extract, papaya, propylene glycol, titanium dioxide, and it has fragrance as well. And like the other one says as well, apply morning and night, and apply once or twice daily. So morning or in the night is up to you, or you can do it both times. And insisting on your hands, the elbows, and the knee. You know, so when you actually do cream your body, just make sure you give those darker area extra attention. So the last one out of the 3 variants is the carrot seed oil and retinol. SPF 40 as well, the same thing, repairing lotion, help with stretch marks, sunburns, dark knuckles, and green veins. So this one, the ingredients in this is alpha-arbutin, almond oil, carrot seed oil, ascorbic acid, retin A, licorice extract, retinol, propylene glycol, titanium dioxide, and it has fragrance as well. So like the other one says as well, apply once or twice daily all over the body, you know, and on a damp skin as well. I think when you apply your products on damp skin, not extremely wet skin, damp skin, it actually helps the cream to penetrate better as well. I mean, I've known that from time, and that's what I usually do. So when I come out the shower, I don't dry myself completely, I just pat dry, and that's it. It really helps the cream to work better. So my lovelies, if you're looking for a product that would help you not get dark hands or dark knuckles, or if you already have dark knuckles and you're just trying to brighten them up, I think you should give this lotion definitely a try. And if you suffer from stretch marks, green veins, definitely give this product a try. You have dark marks, pimples, scars all over your body. This definitely should be one of your list of products to try. Like I said, I've used it only for 4 days, and the 4 days I've used it so far, I do like it. I like the way it make my skin feels. My skin is not drying on my skin, but then bearing in mind that I don't have dry skin and I don't have oily skin as well. I have combination skin, but it's really good on my skin. But I do really feel like if you have dry skin, you might need to add a bit of oil to it. So my lovelies, I'm going to show you some oils and serums you can also add with these products if you want. I don't have oily skin, I don't have dry skin, I have combination skin, so I personally didn't feel the need to add any oils or serums to it. I used it like that. But if you feel like you want oil or serum, I'm going to show you a few things that you can also use. I have here with me, this one is called Secret Beauty Skin Oil. This is very nice, guys. It's very moisturizing, so a little goes a long way. So in a 500 ml bottle, I'll probably use half of the bottle, but it depends on how much you want the oil or how much you want your skin to be more moisturizing. So you can also use the whole bottle as well, but you can start by probably dividing the lotion into half and then add half of this oil in it and see how you get on with that. But yeah, this is very good oil. Another oil you can also use is called Instant White Bleaching Oil. And this one has alpha-arbutin and niacinamide as well. So which are very good active products. This oil is very nice. It's moisturizing as well, and it will also boost the effects of the products without damaging your skin. Because remember, that lotion is a repairing lotion, so you need to be very careful as well what oils you're using inside it. So this particular oil will only enhance the effectiveness of the lotion without damaging your skin. So this oil has it has a seal. is sealed. So when you're getting this oil, just make sure you're getting all these things in the original form. But if you're interested in them, you can always holler at me. You know that already. I have this other 2 serum oil as well. It says White Secret Egg Yolk Oil Injection Serum Extreme Whitening Oil. This is very nice as well. Very, very, very nice and effective. The other one is White Secret Whitening Milk Injection, and it says Dark Spot Pimples Eczema Serum Emergency Whitening Oil. These are very, very effective. This is what you sometimes call small but mighty. These are really good. So you can also add this inside the lotion as well. So this would enhance the effectiveness and also give you more moisture to your skin. So yes, another very effective serum, and it's like a treatment serum as well. It helps to prevent reaction. So apart from even this product, you can also use it to prevent reaction as well. It's called Dr. Miracle Plus Serum. This is moisturizing, and it also helps to prevent reaction. So, and it also has the extra lightening effect as well to the products. So you can also always add this to the lotion. So what you can also do is, like I said before, you can also buy maybe 2 different ones and then use a bit of some in the lotion. A lot of premixers do that. I don't personally premix that much. I only do it on request for my customers, but this is just an idea of things you can do yourself as well. Another one good and treatment concentrate or serum that you can also add to this product is called 1 Week Clean. This is very good, guys. It's a treatment, it's a skin perfecting concentrate. So this actually helps with it has a lightening, it helps with lightening your complexion and spots, old scars, acne marks, and general brightening the skin, and it has no hydroquinone. So this you can also add to it as well. Those are just few of many products that you can actually use with this Asian white lotion. There's many more that you can use, but because just bear in mind that these are treatments and whitening lotions, so you try to be a bit selective about the kind of serum or oils that you want to add inside it. So don't just use any serum or oil. So guys, this is the end of this episode. Thank you very much for watching it till now. I truly appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and put on the notification bell so you can get notification every time I post a new video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Until next time, take care of yourself. Bye.